Agnes Deans stands as a pioneering figure whose multidisciplinary artworks defy traditional boundaries, traversing conceptual art, environmental interventions, and meticulous drawings. Her visionary creations intertwine intellect, philosophy, and environmental concerns, challenging conventional artistic norms. Join us on an exploration of the life and artistry of Agnes Deans, an artist whose oeuvre reflects a profound engagement with ideas and an innovative approach to artistic expression. Born in Budapest, Hungary in 1931, Agnes Deans' early life was shaped by the tumultuous events of World War II and its aftermath. The impact of these turbulent times instilled in her a deep awareness of human resilience and the complex interplay between societal structures and individual experiences. Deans' upbringing was marked by intellectual curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. Her family encouraged her pursuit of education in both fine arts and philosophy, nurturing a foundation for her future artistic explorations. Her relocation to the United States in the late 1950s opened doors to new artistic horizons. Immersed in the vibrant cultural landscape of New York City, Deans engaged with avant-garde movements and philosophical dialogues, laying the groundwork for her distinctive artistic vision. Agnes Deans' artistic journey is a narrative of continual innovation and exploration that defies categorization. Her early artistic endeavors encompassed drawing, painting, and sculpture, showcasing technical skill and an innate creative impulse. However, her trajectory swiftly evolved, propelling her into the realm of conceptual art and groundbreaking environmental interventions. In the 1960s, Deans emerged as a key figure in the conceptual art movement. Her works during this period challenged the established notions of art by focusing on the conceptual depth of ideas over traditional artistic methods. She became known for her thought-provoking propositions that interrogated societal norms, the human condition, and environmental concerns. Deans' early conceptual pieces, such as Rice Tree Burial, 1968, presented novel ways of considering the environment and humanity's interaction with it. This project, which involved planting a rice field in New York State, foreshadowed her later large-scale environmental works and established her as an artist deeply concerned with ecological themes. However, it was her monumental project Wheatfield, A Confrontation, 1982, that garnered widespread attention. In the heart of Manhattan, Deans transformed a desolate 2-acre landfill into a thriving wheat field, an arresting visual statement that juxtaposed agricultural fertility against the urban landscape. This audacious intervention not only challenged perceptions of art, but also confronted societal concerns about land use, sustainability, and human impact on the environment. Her visionary works extended beyond urban landscapes. Projects like Tree Mountain, a living time capsule, 1992 to 1996, where she planted 11,000 trees in Finland, represented a fusion of art, nature, and sustainability. These interventions weren't just art installations, but living, breathing ecosystems inviting audiences to contemplate the delicate balance between humanity and the natural world. Deans' artistic evolution didn't confine itself to large-scale environmental interventions alone. Her meticulous drawings and mathematical models explored intricate geometries and philosophical concepts, reflecting her intellectual depth and artistic versatility. Deans' creative process was deeply rooted in interdisciplinary exploration. Drawing from her background in philosophy and fine arts, she melded diverse fields such as science, mathematics, ecology, and social sciences into her artistic endeavors. This interdisciplinary approach infused her art with intellectual depth and multi-layered meanings. The genesis of Deans' artworks lay the conceptualization phase. She embarked on extensive research, delving into complex ideas that bridged art, science, and philosophy. This phase has involved meticulous study, contemplation, and the formulation of conceptual frameworks that underpinned her projects. Her planning was meticulous, often requiring detailed sketches, diagrams, and extensive notes that encapsulated not just technical details, but profound philosophical musings. These preparatory studies weren't merely blueprints, they were repositories of intellectual exploration and thought-provoking concepts. Deans' creative process often culminated in large-scale environmental interventions. The realization of these grand concepts involved not only artistic finesse, but also collaboration with scientists, engineers, and environmental specialists. Her projects like Wheatfield, A Confrontation, demanded comprehensive planning and logistics. Soil analysis, environmental impact assessments, and collaboration with agricultural experts were integral to executing her vision. These interventions transformed urban landscapes into thought-provoking artworks that challenged the viewer's perceptions. Agnes Dean's artworks manifested across a spectrum of mediums. Her meticulous drawings, marked by precision and intricate detail, often incorporated mathematical elements and geometric forms, reflecting her conceptual explorations. Her large-scale environmental interventions were immersive experiences, inviting audiences to contemplate the complex relationship between humanity and the environment. These projects stood as powerful social commentaries, engaging the public in dialogues about ecological sustainability and societal norms. Dean's stands as a trailblazer in the realm of conceptual art. Her early forays challenged conventional artistic norms, emphasizing conceptual depth over traditional techniques. Her groundbreaking projects, such as Wheatfield: The Confrontation and Tree Mountain: A Living Time Capsule, marked a pivotal shift in the perception of art by integrating environmental concerns into large-scale installations. Her environmental interventions weren't merely artistic endeavors, they served as powerful statements that questioned societal norms, human impact on the environment, and the delicate balance between urbanization and nature. These projects sparked conversations about sustainability, land use, and ecological consciousness, leaving an indelible mark on environmental art practices. Agnes Dean's personal life and her reflections epitomize an unwavering dedication to intellectual inquiry, environmental stewardship, and the convergence of art and philosophy. Her legacy extends beyond her artistic achievements, serving as an inspiration for future generations of artists, thinkers, and activists who seek to engage critically with societal and environmental issues through creative expression.